And step 9 is to create a business bank account. So you want to create a business bank account. Now, this business bank account you want to be able to, in order for you to create it, you want to be able to locate a startup-friendly business bank. And not all business banks are startup-friendly. And you'll find that many national banks are more antiquated in how they're set up, and so they have higher fees, and they take longer in order to conduct approvals, look at paperwork, approve transactions, so on and so forth. So you want to avoid more older commercial national banks. And then also I suggest that you avoid local banks and credit unions, because many times the local bank or the credit union is more invested in a more traditional business. They don't really know how to evaluate, or prefer not to evaluate, high-risk ventures such as a startup company. They're more interested in brick and mortar businesses like car washes and corner stores, and then also on a personal level, houses and auto loans. And the local bank, the credit union, is more interested in helping the local community, because the local community provides the tax base around where that bank or credit union is. So as far as a startup company goes, is that you're not servicing your local community with your startup company. Your startup company is global, really, potentially. So it's just a different kind of business. And a startup-friendly business bank is far more understanding of the high-risk venture that you're undertaking. So a startup-friendly business bank that I recommend is called Grasshopper Bank. And you can check out Grasshopper Bank at grasshopper.bank. There are other banks out there, but I like Grasshopper because I was able to get approved. It's a fully digital bank. You conduct all your transactions online through the website via email and via email. And so I got approved for my bank account in like 3 days, from filling out the application to getting my routing and account number. And so the only caveat between finding a startup-friendly business bank is that you're going to need an actual business, which is why step 8 is so important, forming a business entity at that point. So, and with that said, you're going to need a fairly significant amount of money in order to open up the account. So it's not like a credit union or local bank where you can have $50 or $100 and you can open up a business bank account. You're going to need something a bit more than that, but you're going to have it because of the step 8, you were able to receive funding. So that's step 9, opening up a startup-friendly business bank account.